It's the RH to the EEE. You're rocking with the best from the CPT. You already know. Namhlanje neniphathele with T featuring uRedondo igama lengoma ithi Ikasi. These are two legends. You understand? Redondo coming from Metro Maskap, Gooks, with T coming you and Mazela way back from Alice Sleep. You understand? You're Yvette, like Yvette, the giant. You understand? Mr. Black Saturday, someone who contributed to you understand a movement that's a Cape Town, you understand if our yards Black Saturday, then you have to go do you have to go do your motherfucking research. So now it's a music video by Willie T featuring Uredondo. Egas.
Nyathela umjito esangweni uzokubetha umnqwazi egazi Nyathe yo
True hippie.
Nyathela umjito esangweni uzokubetha umnqwazi egazi
Uqula icherry yekhintsa lizokubetha umnqwazi egazi
Ucingo lipharaba zakubetha unyabahlali egazi
Naxa ungenamali abantu bakujongela phansi egazi
Nyathela umjito esangweni uzokubetha umnqwazi egazi
Uqula icherry yekhintsa lizokubetha umnqwazi egazi
Ucingo lipharaba zakubetha unyabahlali
Yasilo back yo bro uyenzeke kasi nami nesami istory sasekazi nawe nesakho istory sasekazi naba bantu balapha kule music video is supporting as nesazo istory zasekazi bro if from ekasi so sengabe na story so ndiya relate kule nyathela iginzi esihlangweni
egazi
Ucingo lipharaba zakubetha unyabahlali egazi
Naxa ungenamali abantu bakujongela phansi egazi Nami unzalelwe egazi Ndikhuliswa indlovukazi Utata bemazi Nangona ibingathi ufe ethola umnqwazi Kodwa namhlanje nolwazi Ikasi nqeqesho koswazi Bonile bebethi iminqwazi Behlatywa phalala negazi Ubome lokishini bunzima I-celebrity ngamaginzi Kulawulo taskenographies Into ezingena siphuma emjifu Sikhule sichekezelana igqa ngejustice
i-celebrating ngamaginza facts dog like thina saziwa less than ikake esicofayo like those niggas are famous bro the celebrities asekazi nyani more than abantu you know entertainment like rappers actors and soccer players as go popular than ikaka ekubetha umnqwazi dog
Kulawulo taskenographies Into ezingena siphuma emjifu Sikhule sichekezelana igqa ngejustice ongasamajila Diphuphe enhletyelwa nguja esithi hamba kule ndlela ungadinwa Amagwala adikwe kuyazi Ajike azizilwanyana Abantwana bazala abantwana Umntwana benomzukulwana Abahlali bahola amahlahla bayotshisa ngetayari phalaphara Ngabantwana nabantu abadala kuyancilwa kutyiwa impalampala Thatha nansi middle finger Bayinyusa begqabula intshiza Ayikhokho umntu eseye kwitrigger No doubt imine kuzofriza Anthetha uba bakhe bayisqueeza Uzoscream bengathi ungusqueezer Benza shoba bayacisha Ngolambisa mhlawumbe ungasinda
Nyathela umjito esangweni uzokubetha umnqwazi egazi
Olambisa mhlawumbe ungasinda yo dog yo vele ungayazi ubuphume njani kula khona kasi uqonda fuck but you survived dog sine ngolambisa ngozikamdala dog but yeah man they relate I already don't icuzile la bit says nobody told me this song is this good dog fuck it banger this shit is on my playlist from now this shit is on my playlist shit is a banger bro the beat like concept and the way much it rata ngakhona from a hook to ivesi kaRedondo dog
Anthetha uba bakhe bayisqueeza Uzoscream bengathi ungusqueezer Benza shoba bayacisha Ngolambisa mhlawumbe ungasinda
Nyathela umjito esangweni uzokubetha umnqwazi egazi
Uqula icherry yekhintsa lizokubetha umnqwazi egazi
Ucingo lipharaba zakubetha unyabahlali egazi
Naxa ungenamali abantu bakujongela phansi egazi
Nyathela umjito esangweni uzokubetha umnqwazi egazi
Uqula icherry yekhintsa lizokubetha umnqwazi egazi
Ucingo lipharaba zakubetha unyabahlali egazi
Naxa ungenamali abantu bakujongela phansi egazi
Amachera wakuvumi just because awunayo itrans if awubheja amankaro ngacinga uzothola ucansi bayasithola ligolo believe bazokwenza manzi
I do avula ngazo make it's big facts dog it's big I think both I don't think I know amakasa ayafana dog amakasi iyafana asozithi kana ayikho la uyenzeka phana bekho la gave bayitshisa ngetaye sozithi kana ayikho igave yatshiswa ngetaye ngenqini yakho uyajiya amakasi ayafana sonke salazi guys
ungenamali abantu bakujongela phansi ekasi
amachera wakuvumi just because awunayo itrans if awubheja amangaro ngacinga uzothola ucansi bayasithola ligolo believe bazokwenza manzi kwamanye amacheri today uzolala uyi-1 itoilet ekasi zingaphandle sinxiba inathi elwandle sithenge ihenesi kumnandi sisipana ngenhlamo nemonday ciba iphepha likagqirha for the tuesday this meal sakudalset monday xa ufuna ukhonjwa ngentshiza khabe ihenesi yamaginza kuzokhangela inhloko yakho eminyaka sikhangela inhloko kayinza umbali uphinde wamitha waphinde wafila umatric ngokuyayi bena-16 ebejola netime la-60 lichatile ingcosi zi-6 oyi-1 ke kula mix sisiphumule kumtshato wesithathu sabawela umenza umfazi inkunzi zibembini kule mazi akanalwazi
I no this shit is a banger this shit is a banger no for umuntu ofuna umamela le track ngizofaka i-link apha ku description understand uyifake ku playlist yakho and then ngizofaka ne link yale music video apha ku description so that uzibukelele without watching me reacting to it understand uzimince wena xa uhleli wena otherwise don't miss out mna miss out mna but ndifaka ku playlist yami ngoba this is a banger. Shout out with it. Shout out to Redondo, man.
Wandanga ke kula mix sisiphumule kumtshato wesithathu sabawela umenza umfazi inkunzi zibembini kule mazi akanalwazi ndiyaphala ulwazi kunjalo bayipop yabafazi uzawuhlala uhletshwa ngabahlali uhletshwa kuhleka abantwana nyathela umjiji esihlangwini uzokubetha umnqwazi ekasi
uqhula icherry yeginza
yo la flow la flow with the team and ibambe wayicuza wathi wayivala ngayo dog like that shit is crazy. That shit is crazy. What a dope ass verse, bro. Yo, acho. Yeah, guys, they're related, dog.
nyathela umjiji esihlangwini uzokubetha umnqwazi ekasi
uqhula icherry yeginza lizokubetha umnqwazi ekasi
bucingo lipharaba zakubetha unyabahlali ekasi
naxa ungenamali abantu bakujongela phansi ekasi
nyathela umjiji esihlangwini uzokubetha umnqwazi ekasi
uqhula icherry yeginza lizokubetha umnqwazi ekasi
bucingo lipharaba zakubetha unyabahlali ekasi
naxa ungenamali abantu bakujongela phansi ekasi
Ay. That was awesome. Yo, I joke. What a dope ass song, though. What a dope ass track. That is. Let me see you guys with comments. Yeah, let me see you guys with comments. Tell me what you think of this. You understand? For me, bro, like a concept of video. Yonke iway esiyazi enzeke kasi amajita zami uyiqokelela, you understand? Ayifaka with visuals. You understand? Like mjita uchiswa ngetaye, we know ekasi sazazi za way. Nala way uchitha utshwala begintsha siyayazi la way. You understand? Bro, like zininzi money way in this pick up, you understand? So ngizofaka i-link yale way ku description, and then uyibukele wena without watching me react to it, and then uzeneza kuwezi pick up leyo yabo ezubukela, you understand, without me pausing this thing and talking shit, you understand, and then uzocomment noba ubukele ka-3 buye uzokhomenda ngewesi izimisileyo, you understand. Yeah man, this one goes to my playlist straight, dog. Straight up dog. If ukayifaka radio Louisa mokwenza clean version and just put it out on radio, bro, if you haven't yet, you understand. The video khawuzame man sibone ku channel O, bro man, khawuzame dog uba kukho umuntu one plug, dog, do your thing man. Cape Town, dog, use another one like Khalid, since we pick up Sintswimbi. So shout out to Willie T, shout out to Redono for giving us something esikwazi relate kuyo and ibe hit dog at the same time as a bang ungayi vula ibhuji udlalele we bye in, you understand? Qumze. See you guys on the next episode. Like, comment, share, and fucking subscribe. Salute.